Welcome to a new video of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show you some Chandeli collection. So let's display. So this is our
Beginning
first
with
display.
our first collection, that is of Chanderi, block on Chanderi. Look at the design. This is of
Brick color.
bricks color. The base is brick
Yes.
color and it is outlated with black all over body.
Trees.
Tree motif.
Yes.
It's very beautiful, amazing collection. One of those fine collection and very smart as well. This is the achol portion, or this is the pallu portion. As you can see this, it's a pallu portion and with a black and golden stripe border. Very beautiful, very attractive and very smart collection. Very attractive, very smart, and you can carry it. It's very lightweighted also.
Very
This is
soft and
very
comfortable
soft
also.
and comfortable also. Very beautiful, attractive. This is the running BP blouse piece. Running blouse piece. Moving on to the next. This is the second collection of Chanderi of batik print. Very beautiful and attractive the collection is. Look at the sari, how beautiful it is. How beautiful and amazing it is. Sea green color, sea green and black color all over the body, goes with white work. This is batik print. Very beautiful. The color, the base is sea green. This is also Chanderi, the second collection of Chanderi. It's very soft, very bright and easy to carry. You can carry it easily and you can get ready with it. Very comfortable the sari is. This is the pallu portion. All over pallu goes like this. Is a multiple work. All over pallu goes like this. Very beautiful.
Also there.
Multicolor work is also there. This work is called batik print, which is very beautiful, very attractive. These are very soft. Like if you put like this, it's a very soft collection. Very amazing. And the BP is, this is the BP. This is also running BP,
Running BP.
blouse piece. Very attractive collection. This was the second collection. Moving on to the very bright collection, which is also Chanderi,
Which is of pink color. Base is pink.
rose pink color. Very beautiful, very bright and gorgeous. Look at this, how beautiful and gorgeous it is. This is the pallu portion. Look at the pallu portion. Heavy work on pallu portion. The work is very heavy, but the sari is yet very light, very attractive and very colorful, very gorgeous.
New brides can also
New
wear
brides
this
can
saree.
also wear this kind of saris, and you can also gift it. Look at the border. Look at the border. How beautiful the border is. This is a very bright border, very broad it is. Golden border with blue work, blue base and golden work. Very beautiful the border is. See how beautiful. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, contrast BP. Very beautiful and amazing collection this is. Here comes the body portion. All over the body goes in a buta work, various buta work. Look at the sari. Golden buta work all over the body, and the base is rose pink. Very lightweight but very gorgeous. You can carry this. It's very amazing. Amazing these are. Moving on to the,
This is of peacock
this is
green.
also peacock green collection
Or you can
of
say light
Chanderi.
green.
Light green also you can say it. It's yet another very gorgeous and very bright sari. Look at the sari, how beautiful it is. Look at the heavy work on the pallu achol portion. Heavy work on the achol portion with golden work. Here comes the border. Here comes the border. See, the base is pink and the border is of
Yellow,
golden. Very beautiful, very attractive, very shining. This is the BP. This is the contrast BP. Very beautiful, very attractive, and yet very lightweighted as well. Carry it with any of your bridal function. This is the body with peacock green, and all over body goes in a kolka work of golden kolka work. Very beautiful and attractive, very lightweighted. Look at this sari, how bright and beautiful it is. Amazing the sari. These are the amazing collection and very exclusive collection. These all are. Moving on to the next, showing you something light. That is also a chanderi. This is batik chanderi.
It is very soft.
Batik print, very soft red color.
Red
Tomato
color.
red. This is tomato red. Very beautiful. Look at the work. This is the batik print. The base is red color, tomato red, and all over body goes in a batik print. Look at the
Here
beauty.
is the fish motif.
Fish motif and leaf motif all over the body.
Yes.
How beautiful this is. This is the pallu portion or achol portion. And here comes the blouse piece. This is BP, running BP red color. The color is very bright, tomato red, and very lightweighted sari, easy to carry
And
in your
soft
day
also,
function.
yes.
Very soft also. It's very body hugging, which will make you look slim, which is very plus point. Those who are bulky, they want a little slim or body hugging sari. Moving on to the next, this is another collection of chanderi.
Which is of royal blue.
Royal blue color.
The base is royal blue.
This is also beautiful and attractive. This is the pallu portion.
Of rose pink.
Rose pink. The base is rose pink and all over the pallu worked with golden zari work. Very bright and attractive. Nothing to say differently. Very bright and attractive. This is the BP, contrast BP. Very
pink
bright.
color only,
Of
rose
pink
pink.
color, contrast BP.
And
The
this
body
is the
goes
sari.
like this. See, this is navy blue and all over the
Royal
body.
blue.
Royal blue, sorry, royal blue, and all over the body goes in a zari work. Beautiful and amazing, amazing. This was also the exclusive collection of chanderi. Here comes another batik chanderi, which is yet another very lightweighted sari.
Soft.
This is a peach
Very
color.
soft. Yes, peach color.
All over body goes like this. This is a peach color. Look at this. The body goes like this. This is also batik print chanderi. Batik chanderi. Very beautiful. This is a peach color. See how beautiful and sweet the color
Sweet,
is,
very
and you can
sweet.
get this heavy work in the border. Here comes the border with multicolor works. These are the batik print. And here comes the pallu portion. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, which is heavily worked, printed, batik print, and here is the BP.
BP. Peach color.
Peach color running BP.
Yes.
Very lightweighted, very beautiful and amazing collection of chanderi. Moving on to the next, which is a very gorgeous sari, which is of golden yellow
Again
color.
for the bride.
Bright, and
Anyone
for
can wear it,
anyone
but
can wear
especially
it.
for brides.
These are actually bridal collection. Look at the
Yes.
sari, how beautiful, how attractive it is.
Or also you can
Exclusive.
wear this sari in Ashtami also.
Yes, you can not only for your bridal but for any day you can give Ashtami Anjali with this. Your mother, your sister, you as well can wear this. This is very lightweighted, very soft and exclusive collection. This is the pallu portion. Look,
Which is of pink color.
yes, which is heavily worked with golden
Zari.
zari. Very attractive and beautiful it is. Here is the BP, which is contrast
Pink color
BP,
only.
pink color only. Amazing and beautiful this is, and all over body goes in a golden yellow with self work of golden zari, which is making another highlight. Very beautiful, very attractive and very sweet color. Moving on to the next, which is also a chanderi. Today our collection is only about chanderi. This is the body portion. This is the body. Red color, maroon actually.
color.
It's maroon and golden work all over the body. Very bright. Look at the color, how beautiful and how bright it is. Amazing to gift someone. You can also gift someone if you are planning to gift. You can also gift. It's amazing. And here is a heavy work of pallu. Look at the pallu. How heavily, how beautiful the work is. How beautiful
This is
the
of
golden
blue.
Blue. The base is blue, and all over the pallu or all over the achol goes with a golden work, which is making it adding another elegance to it. Don't be skeptical wearing this. These are amazing and exclusive collection. You can carry it. This is the BP, contrast BP. Very amazing, very exclusive collection. Moving on to the last collection for today, which is also a chanderi of parrot green color, yet this is another very bright color. Very bright color, very amazing color. All over body goes like this. All over body goes like this. Parrot green and all over body of golden and blue work.
Maybe in the camera it is looking like sea green, but actually it's
Look at
parrot
the
green.
part. Look at the border. Contrast border. It's Ganga Jamuna border. Sorry, it's a contrast border. It's very highlighting, very beautiful.
This is of pink color. The
Pink
border.
color, and the pallu goes like this. This is the BP, running BP.
And here is the pallu.
Here is the pallu. This was our last collection. This was the last collection for today.
If you like any of the sarees, then please take a screenshot from the video. And if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We will again come with the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.